What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will be trying to get dents out of my rear quarter panels. I don't know if I can pull this up, but there's a huge dent right here on the body line. And then also there's one tiny one that's like at the top. I don't know if I can get it for you guys. I'm not sure if I can, but I got a gentleman coming over by the name of Tony. He's with Advantage Dent Repair. Also got some new parts in from Honda, so OEM stuff. You can see the Honda Access box here. Judging from the clips and stuff, some of you guys probably know what it is, some of you guys don't, but they are the OEM window visors. Now, the ones that I have on work good, but I kind of want one that are more secured and one that's pretty much more durable so these don't fly off, because they're only secured by 3M tape. So these are already sold. It's going to one of my friends' builds. Also picked up another small unnecessary item for the vehicle, and that is, if you guys saw my post that I posted a couple days ago, the JDM hazard button. So we're gonna be installing that shortly. But for right now, just waiting on the dent guy to get here. I got flat black wrap for the pillars because these pillars are faded, and I'm gonna try my best at wrapping these pillars after I take these off, so that way I could put the new ones on. So we'll see how that goes. Got a lot of stuff to do today. The car is really filthy, so excuse the dirt. I mean, look at these wheels, man. Like I feel horrible just not cleaning it. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to you guys as soon as Tony gets here. Probably move the car in the middle so he has more room. And yeah, let's get today started. All right, guys, so I have Tony here from Advantage Dent Repair. He's just setting up his stuff. He's got the light, and he's basically gonna start taking the dents out. I see this one better here, kind of right here. So how long you been doing this for now?
Over 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Is there anything that you couldn't like do, or you pretty much could do everything that you've done, or?
There's, there's limitations to it.
Right.
For sure. So, just depends on what's there, what needs to be done.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of knew you needed to drill in, because I've talked to plenty of people about it, and
Yeah.
they say you just plug it up when you're done. So I don't really care about that, so that's fine.
Yeah, get it with the best leverage on there.
Yeah.
And if you ever get anything else on there, then just take the cap off.
Yeah, just like access. It's kind of like an access point, kind of like.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That actually just bought a vehicle. He drove it down from Vegas, and he's got a couple of door things, so I'll probably refer you to him.
Oh, okay, cool.
So I'll probably give you the whole number, so that way you can
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
help him out as well. So
Yeah.
go all over the valley, or are you just specifically on the East Valley, or
I go everywhere except for the west side.
the West Side? Okay.
Yeah, really. You say that this happened when the wheels went in?
Yeah, so when I had putting the wheels on, they were kind of really wide, and I didn't anticipate I would have to angle them a little. So when I left the tire shop, it started actually rubbing my fender, and it buckled both of them. So I had to literally pull off and take the wheel off and angle it. Luckily, I had a camber kit that would kind of offset it, but yeah, I was kind of pissed off because I didn't realize that it wouldn't fit. But yeah, I was. I was scared too because it's right on the body line. It's not one of those regular ones that you could just, I wasn't sure like the difficulty level. A lot of people were saying that you can't fix it because it's on the body line, but, and then other people said you can. So I kind of did some research, and
yeah,
a lot of people said that it's actually not that big of a deal. So
no, I mean, it's harder than
like a regular flat surface, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Crazy.
I already see it coming out.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy.
Whatever happens, you can take a plastic tool.
Yeah, for
Take
sure.
that off.
Yeah, man.
Access whatever you want.
Perfect. Wow, man, look at that. It's not even there anymore. That's crazy.
Yeah, I hit the body line, but it's come up.
Yeah, that's what made me nervous, because I was like, once it gets into body line stuff, I was freaking out, but.
Yeah, I know. It could be scary.
Guys, look at this. This is crazy. Highly recommend this if you guys have any dents or dings. Like I said, Tony's been doing this for years, and if you guys are in the Phoenix area, definitely check him out. I'm gonna put all his information down below for you guys. But yeah, this is, wow, very impressed. Very impressed. So he just did the other side. I don't even know where it's at. That's crazy. Thank you. Oh yeah. It's kind of at a weird place. I'm not sure. All right, so yeah, we got one on the roof here, and it's like hopefully he can maybe try to get in through the liner. We'll see. All right, guys, so Tony just left, and I gotta say, I'm super impressed with his work. Real professional, came right at the time he said, and just came in and just got right to work. As you can see, you really don't see any sign of any dings. There are a couple smears, but I can wipe that off. But literally, there is no more dents, guys. Like, this is crazy. I highly recommend you guys to definitely check out like a PDR guy. The roof one, literally, I thought he wasn't gonna be able to take it out, but honestly, you just take the stripping out, and then you take out this right here. I guess like he took out this part there, the headliner, and literally was able to pop it out. Like, I can't even tell where it's at anymore. And like I said, I will put Tony's information down below in the description, so that way you guys, if you guys are in the Phoenix area, east side, he said, East Valley, to hit him up. All right, it is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for making it to the end. If you guys aren't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It's free to subscribe. It helps me out, helps my channel out, lets YouTube know, hey, you guys love my videos. We got Spocom coming in September. Hopefully California doesn't lock down. Me and a whole bunch of my friends are gonna be mobbing down there to Cali, San Diego. I believe it's September 10th. So A lot of the San Diego homies, if you guys are watching, I will be in the area. I'll let you guys know what area I will be in. So that way, if you guys want to meet up or chill or just let me know any of the food spots, because I'm a big foodie and I love me some food, and definitely want to get shots of the car by the ocean because I believe it's going to be at Del Mar Fairground. So pretty excited for that. Stay tuned for the next video. I will be installing my visors as well as the JDM hazard button, which is kind of like a subtle detail to the interior. I have a lot more planned for the interior, so stay tuned. Got a lot of cool and exciting things coming, so you do not want to miss it. Again, thank you guys for your support. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers, which is crazy, and I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.